Number 13, log of 3 minus log of 8 will become log of 3 divided by 8, just because it works backwards and forwards on the property. Let's see if we can do one with a little more feet on it here. How about number 22? Now, log 3 u minus 5 log 3 v. This becomes log base 3 of u divided by v to the 5th. I did a couple of steps in one. First, I moved the 5 up top onto the v, and then since it's subtraction, I used division. So I kind of did 2 steps in one. Can you handle that? Or do I need to break that down? I'll let you know that over. All right, so 24. 4 log 3. Okay. You know that it's going to be u divided by v. What are the exponents on the u? Or what is the exponent on the u? What about the v? See how easy that is?
Can you reduce that or no?
Well, they're not the same base. U and v have to be the same base for you to reduce it, so it's done. But good observation is that if you can reduce it, then by all means, right?
How do you do the ones like 14
Like this one?
14
14, sure. 14, I had log 6 over 3, which I'm going to rewrite as 1/3 times log 6. Is that okay? Divide by 3, multiply by 1/3, same thing. Then this 1/3 goes where? Right up on the 6. So this is log 6 raised to the 1/3. And if you remember from your intermediate algebra class, anything raised to the 1/3 is also the what? Cube root. So this becomes log of the cube root of 6.
Can you do 11?
11. Okay. 11 is a good choice. Again, log base 10, and I have x times y times z to the 1/3. I'm taking a shortcut here because it says the cube root, but I just went ahead and raised them all to the 1/3. You okay with that? What does raising it to the 1/3 do? So we're good here, right? The 1/3 goes out front. So this is 1/3 log x, y, z times. Now, notice here it says anything times is added. You can actually extend that to mn, k, j, i, and it would just be a whole bunch of additions. Because addition is associative, I can just do the first two and then the next two and then separate them out, and you'll end up just getting the same thing as a result. So just for your knowledge, when you have a series of multiplications, it becomes a series of additions. Remember, that's a z. Still inside parentheses because they all get to 1/3. Finally, you can say log x over 3 plus log y over 3 plus log z over 3 when you distribute the 1/3 to every piece.
Or can we just do it 1/3 log?
Say again?
We just do it 1/3 log.
Yeah, I feel the same way, but the answer sheet didn't, so I didn't. But good point. I could probably just leave it as 1/3 times the parentheses, because generally speaking, you factor things like that out anyway.
Can
But-
we do 25?
See what?
25.
That is a critical thinking question. I'll do 25, and then I want you to see though, as I'm doing 25, I'll do the last one. On page 479 in the book, there are more of these. So you may try 1 through 55 as well as the rest of the worksheet, and I'll end on number 25.
I'm gonna put her on the board here.
First thing I did was multiply 2 times each of these two things and push it up into the numerator, exponent. Remember, this will be 2 times this and 2 times that when you distribute it to both pieces, and then anything multiplied can then be pushed up into the exponents, and vice versa. Now what I have here is log 2x squared divided by y squared minus log 3 divided by 25. 5 squared is 25. Oh, wait a minute. Is that addition on the second one? Sorry, that's wrong. Times 25. When you add, you multiply.
So you don't distribute the negative?
Not yet. Yes.
You choose your exponent, can you just put that in front of the log?
Well, we're trying to do the opposite of expand. We're now condensing. If we were expanding it, you would put the 2 out front. I'm not done yet because I still have a minus sign, so it's going to be log 2x squared over y squared divided by, what's this number right here? 75. Divided by 75, which is the same thing as log 2x squared over 75y squared. Except that these are both squared here, so that really should be a 4, because 2 squared is 4. Yeah.
How did you get a 4?
When you have multiplication in here, you apply the exponents to both pieces. So 2 squared is 4 and x squared is x squared. Okay. You have 2 worksheets to continue with. You have plenty of book problems. I will see you next Tuesday. The test is still scheduled for Thursday, but there is a slight chance it could be moved to the following Tuesday at the rate we're going. Which, believe it or not, we're actually pretty good. We've come to the right place where we're supposed to be.